Fires have gotten larger, more frequent, and more widespread across the United States since the year 2000, according to a new University of Colorado Boulder-led paper. Recent wildfires have stoked concern that climate change is causing more extreme events, and the work published in the journal Science Advances shows that large fires have not only become more common, they are also spreading into new areas, impacting land that previously did not burn. Projected changes in climate, fuel, and ignitions suggest that we will see more and larger fires in the future. The researchers says their analysis showed that those changes are already happening. To evaluate how the size, frequency, and the extent of fires have changed in the United States, the researchers analyzed data from over 28,000 fires that occurred between 1984 and 2018 from the Monitoring Trends in Burn Severity (MTBS) dataset, which combines satellite imagery with the best available state and federal fire history records. The team found that there were more fires across all regions in the contiguous United States in 2005 to 2018 compared to the previous 2 decades. In the West and the East, fire frequency doubled, and in the Great Plains, fire frequency quadrupled. As a result, the amount of land burned each year increased from a median of 1,552 to 5,502 square miles in the West and from 465 to 1,295 square miles in the Great Plains. The researchers also took a closer look at the most extreme fire events in each region. They found that in the West and Great Plains, the largest wildfires grew bigger and ignited more often in the 2000s. Throughout the record, large fires were more likely to occur around the same time as other large fires. The researcher explains that more and larger co-occurring fires are already altering vegetation composition and structure, snowpack, and water supply to our communities. This trend is challenging fire suppression efforts and threatening the lives, health, and homes of millions of Americans. Finally, the team discovered that the size of fire-prone areas increased in all regions of the contiguous United States in the 2000s, meaning that not only is the distance between individual fires is getting smaller than it was in the previous decades, but also that fires are spreading into areas that did not burn in the past. These results confirm a palpable change in fire dynamics that has been suspected by the media, public, and firefighting officials. Unfortunately, the results also align with other troubling risk trends, such as the fact that development of natural hazard zones is also increasing wildfire risk. These convergent trends, more large fires plus intensifying development, mean that the worst fire disasters are still to come. The study authors suggest that to adapt and build resilience to wildfire impacts, planners and stakeholders must account for how fire is changing and how it is impacting vulnerable ecosystems and communities.